Hi there, today we're at Hallidays Point. The first part of the walk is going to be around Blackhead, then we're going to do the walk along the beach and the rainforest, across to Redhead, have a look around there before returning to our starting spot. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. Today's walk starts at the car park overlooking the Blackhead rock pool. As we look out across Blackhead Bay, we see the rainforest that skirts the beach all the way out to Redhead. We also get a view of the rugged shore of Blackhead before we enter the rainforest. A short way into the walk we come across the Whale Watch platform that's been erected by the Hallidays Point Land Care Group. No whales today. There's some very interesting rock formations off Blackhead. The water is so blue and so clear. Moving through the forest to a new vantage point, we get our first view of Hallidays Point. Another short walk through the rainforest to get another view of Hallidays Point. We'll get down to beach level soon. The local land care group have put a lot of effort into this area, making for a very pleasant walk. We start to get our first glimpses of Pebbly Beach through the trees. Not long after first glimpsing the beach do we actually get down to sand level. I don't know why they would call it Pebbly Beach. No pebbles I can see. Lots of rocks and sand, no pebbles. Rocks of all sizes are spread all over this beach. I think we'll go to the northern end first, where Hallidays Point actually meets the water. A misty kind of fog is descending onto the point, giving the beach a somewhat eerie feeling. Getting out onto the point has been one story. Getting back over these jagged rocks and onto the beach is going to be another. I don't know why, but for some reason I was just drawn to walk between these two big rocks. These two little sea caves don't go in very deep. The roof of the cave has collapsed in on them. I think I'm just about to be swallowed up by all the sea mist. I think the best idea is to stop videoing for a while, let it all pass before starting again. It's only taken 30 minutes or so, but the sea mist is now lifted. I'll continue the 100 metres walk over this next headland to Back Beach. What a very picturesque area. Rocks of all shapes and sizes and formations. One last lot of rocks to cross before we reach Back Beach. Looking south along Back Beach, you can see a couple of mountains in the distance that look like they're floating in the sea mist. It's now time to leave the beach and re-enter the rainforest for the walk back to our starting point. It's pretty clearly signposted. You shouldn't really have too much trouble finding where the rainforest walk starts again. The rainforest walk isn't particularly long, but it does meander and twist and turn all through the Darawank Nature Reserve. I've come into the rainforest not quite where I expected to be, but it's close enough to where I started my walk today, so it's not a problem. I'm back at the starting point. I had to change today's walk a little bit because the conditions weren't really suitable. I did the walk down to Pebble Beach, Blackhead Beach, cut through the rainforest and back to our starting point. The walk took around about 3 hours and was around about 5 kilometres. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.